Good morning. It's not a great morning. Hardly slept last night. See the tent flapping? Now that kept me awake all night. Did a bit of rain. I knew the tent was going to hold, but the flapping was unbearable. There's the sunrise. So I'm going to pack up the tent, put things in the backpack, and then either find a sheltered spot around the corner there and make my breakfast, or I will just keep going and have a muesli bar on the way. About 14 k's, 12 k's to Marion Bay. And this is where I should have camped last night. Thought about moving. There's a little bit of breeze, but it's very still. Just follow the road. Lookout Point, Salmon Beach coming up. Distance, Marion Bay. Good morning, it's morning tea time. So nothing better than chocolate to get you fired up. Hello from Marion Bay.